Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, we will make blueberry cream cheese pie. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! For the dough, we will need 2 cups of plain flour, half cup of cold fresh milk, half cup of cold unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the cream cheese filling, we will need 250 grams of cream cheese, half cup of white sugar, and half teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the blueberry filling, we will need 1 cup of blueberries, 1/4 cup of white sugar, half cup of water, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of corn flour diluted in 1 tablespoon of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, combine the flour, sugar, and salt. Then, add the butter, and using a pastry blender, cut the butter into the flour mixture until it resembles a coarse crumbs. Then, add the milk and mix them together. Then, using your clean hands, gather the dough together. Then, cover it with cling film and chill it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. In a pan over low heat, add water, blueberries, sugar, vanilla extract, lemon juice, and the diluted corn flour. Give it a mix and let it simmer and cook it until it becomes thick. By the way, you can use the thin ones, but I prefer the taste of the fresh blueberries. Now we will make the cream cheese filling. In a bowl, add the cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla extract. Mix them together until they're well combined. Now, after 1 hour, transfer the dough into a work surface and shape it into a log. And cut it into 4 portions. Sprinkle some flour and roll each portion until it becomes thin, about 1/4 inches thick. Then, cut it into a square. Set aside the cuttings for later. Fill the square with a tablespoon of cream cheese, and a tablespoon of blueberry filling. Cover it and seal the edges with a fork. Transfer it into a tray lined with parchment paper. Do the same procedure with the remaining dough. If you have cuttings, just roll them again and use them to make another pie. After, chill it in the fridge for at least 15 minutes. In a pan over medium heat, fry the pie until it's golden brown. Once it's golden brown, transfer it into a wire rack to drain. And here's our finished product! This hand pie is crispy and filled with scrummy blueberry and cream cheese filling. I hope you're going to give this a try. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!